Okay, we good. 50%. I'll probably stop recording about 30%. But we good. My brightness ain't all the way up neither, so. But yeah, y'all can see, like I said, that's another trail right there. Look like some wall, a rock wall you could climb. But it'd be a lot of horses. Like we was up here 4th of July. It was a lot of people with horses because we went where you could see the whole city at, which is towards the trails going towards the Hollywood. Oh, goddamn shoulders hurt. My back. Whew. Is it different? Look, real nice. So, but every time I come up here, I'm gonna go on different trails. Like I was saying, I'm thinking about coming back up here tomorrow, so I could really be able to walk the whole trail, be up here all day, and make sure my phone and stuff is charged, because it would have been charged, but oh shoot, okay, so the trail, hold on y'all, shit, my fucking back hurt. Ugh. That right there, how it looks like a trail, that's what the trail looked like where the coyotes was at. But the thing is, like, it looked more like a trail, if you know what I mean. It was just leaves a lot though. That looked like a trail over here. You go up on, look like you circle around. I wouldn't trust it though. But you could tell that this is a trail, because I don't know if y'all could kind of see like that way going up, but and then that looked kind of like a trail right there. But it also looked like water used to come down here. I don't know if y'all heard that. Oh yeah. So woodpecker. So woodpecker. But that looked like a trail of water. Oh, I think this is a trail. That looked like a trail over there. What y'all think? Is a trail? Like something water came down. Let's go. Oh. Look like it's a tippity top right up there though. Little birds and stuff. Ooh. Shit is hot. God damn. Thinking about walking back to that trail I was just on. But it looks so pretty. Oh. Sound like I heard somebody. Could have been up there though. Cause it looked far, like I'm telling y'all, on camera, but it's close. It's a goddamn workout. Shit. See those flowers? Or plants? Shit, it look like it be animals up here for sure. Right here though. Oh shit. Right here leading up to a trail. Big one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. Put this down real quick. Hopefully y'all can see me. Some damn water. Shit. Cold. Ice water. See a yellow jacket. It's a trail right up there. We're going to it. Oh shit. Okay, now. This is the trail I was talking about. This isn't the exact trail, but this is what the trail looked like that I seen coyotes on. is that? Oh, it's a tree branch. Okay. Which way should I go, y'all? Hell no, we gonna go this way. This look like the trail part I was talking about. Right there. Oh, you could come out right there or go up. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, stop. Yeah. Oh. We're on the road. Oh, God. Oh. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. This is the trail I was on. Y'all see right there? That place right there, and then the trail that go up there and down there. And then the road. This is the trail that you come this way from. This way that I told y'all take like 1 or 2 hours. So I found the shortcut. Found the goddamn shortcut. Woo. That only took 30 minutes like the other one. Oh, God. I'll put y'all right here. Trying to find a place. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see it? That trail you see people walking up is the trail that, like I said, take an hour or two to get. That's steep as hell. But it has a bridge you walk over. Not the one that got water, but I don't know if y'all see to the tippity top all the way over there. That's where you go stand up. You see all of LA. Only a 30-minute goddamn walk. Hold on, y'all.